everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full face of only blush. Let's get into it. Basically how this works is we're going to be using all my blushes and we're going to have to find the one that matches me the best. So basically for like foundation or concealer, I'm going to have to find a blush that matches me the best. So let's get into it. And by the way, if you notice like a difference in the camera quality or any of that in the lighting or anything, I did get a new phone and it's the purple iPhone 17. So I'm very happy and very grateful. Get all my blushes out. Doing this, comment down below what you guys think is going to be the easiest step. In my opinion, I think it's going to be blush, but yeah, I think that's definitely going to be the easiest step. So sorry, my phone just fell. Everything just happened so quickly, sorry. Anyways, let's just get into it. And please don't mind this like red spot. I think I have like a little rash or like a breakout right there. So we're gonna cover it up, hopefully, but it's gonna just make it more red because we're putting like blushes on my face. So let's get into it. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna try to find a blush that matches my skin tone the best. So like this color. So, of course, it's going to have, like, some pink in it, but it's fine. So, I feel like, oh, that's bronzer. I have the Dibs blush in the shade Bloom Service, and it comes with bronzer, but that doesn't mean we can use the bronzer. That's a cheat. So, I feel like that matches me pretty well. Like, it's, of course, going to be having a tint of blush because that's what blush is. Or I can use this shiny one because it's very sheer, so I could use that. Or I can use, I feel like I could also use like this Glow Recipe one. No, that's too bright actually. I think I'm gonna go with the Dibs one because like stick foundation is like a thing and I feel like that would just work the best. I'm definitely gonna break out. But have you guys seen the videos where people do like a full face of lip liner, a full face of eyeshadow? Like let me know if you want more of these full faces. See, like that's not bad. Like it's just blush. Like it's not terrible. But like what if like a full face of bronzer would not work because everything's bronzed? Like it wouldn't work and I only have like a couple bronzers. But what if like a full face of lip gloss? That would be terrible. I would hate that so much. Okay, I'm gonna get a beauty blender and we're gonna blend the whole thing with just this beauty blender. We're gonna use this one. I'm gonna go wet it. I did this beauty blender and now it's like twice the size. So now let's blend it out. This should like give it more sheer vibes. Okay, where is it going? It's disappearing, you guys. This might not work. Well, this blush is already super sheer, and I don't really have a blush brush, so I don't know if I can use that. I do have a foundation brush, but I just cleaned my brushes the other day, so I'm not doing that. Okay, I guess it is showing up, but I'm not sure about this. This is looking really bad. It's really not even at all. Like, look at that. That is not even one bit. And everything just kind of disappeared. But in real life, like, it kind of shows up a bit better, but I don't know. By the way, I did try to do this, like, a week ago or something, and my phone ran out of storage. That's why I got a new one, because you can only buy, like, more iCloud storage. You can't really buy, because I have an iPhone. Well, I told you that, but, like, it just doesn't work that way, so I had to get a new one, so yeah. It's kind of just showing up on there. I don't know how this is looking. Foundation. Now let's do concealer. Guys, we could have used this for foundation because it's the same color as the Dibs one. I got them both at different times, but when I got them, they're the same color. Look at. I could have used this, and this is way more pigmented than the Dibs one. I don't usually use the Dibs blush. My mom uses it. I usually use the bronzer, but I don't know. For concealer, we should use the Huda Beauty one. Hold on, let me move these out of the way. This might be kind of like weird. So, I feel like we should use the Huda Beauty one because it's in the shade Cotton Candy, and we could do like a pink under eye moment. I feel like that could be cute. But I also have a other baby pink. It's by SheGlam, and this is in the shade On Call, and this is also a baby pink. I kind of like the Huda Beauty one better, so let's do this. I feel like it would be cute, right? like a little pink under eye moment. Like, people like pink under eye, but they don't usually do it like with blush. But like, it kind of just like, I don't know what it does. It kind of tones out like the greens in your face. I don't know. I really don't know. I think the purples, which it kind of did right here. But of course, it's not a concealer or a corrector. It's just this. So it's just blush. So, ooh, I'm not sure about that. But maybe once we put the blush on, it will all just like go together. It'll be like a sunset pinky moment. And people do like set their under eyes with like pink powders and stuff. So I feel like that would be really cute. Should we also use it to correct this? I don't think we should. I really just don't think so. I'm trying to, with my videos, I'm always like back here blending, but you can barely see. So I'm trying to go closer like these times. Doing my makeup. So that's the concealer. I feel like it's not doing much, you guys. My blushes are very sheer, so I don't know. By the way, I took off my nails. They're all gone. I had really cute nails that I did, but they're all gone because I took them off because I was playing at the park yesterday. Next, I usually use bronzer. So for bronzer, I want to do this one, I think, because it's like, this is by the brand Sunkissed, and it's Berry Bunch. And I feel like this would be the prettiest bronzer shade. Like, maybe? Like, I feel like, yeah. Nothing else is really giving bronzer. So I feel like I can mix two together. So I want to mix this. So one dot of that. Up on the forehead. One like that. And then we're also going to do nose contour too. It'll kind of give like blushed nose, you know, but also like contoured nose. I don't really know. And then I want to mix with the Saie one because I feel like this is like cool toned, you know, you guys. And then this is like more warm. So if you mix them together, it'll turn into like a contour shade, right? Or like a bronzer shade. Because if you mix cool and warm, it could make like a brown maybe. I don't know. That's just how my theory is. I'm going to put this back, and I'm going to put a clip in because now we're going for the forehead. Actually, we're going to do pink clips because we're doing blush today. Let me know if I should do more of these. Like, I know I already said that, but like more of like the like lip liner, like a full face of lip liner would be really cool. Or eyeshadow. Lip gloss, I have so many different shades of lip gloss, but that would totally make me break out. Like, just no. By the way, they're bedazzled, so slay. I don't know if I should do more bedazzling videos because I feel like that was really cool when I did those. So yeah. Okay, let's blend this out. Okay. It's definitely giving like blush, but I don't know. I'm going to blend this out. And actually, wait. That's actually pretty good. Wait. Like, see my theory? Like, it's warm now. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I even feel like we need to do blush, like, but we have to. It's a part of my makeup step. So yeah. Okay. I also feel like the other easiest step is gonna be lip gloss because I have a trick. Oh, why is that not blending out? That's weird. Okay. I have a trick because on YouTube Shorts, go check this out, by the way. On YouTube Shorts, I filmed can blush be used as lip gloss, and I found a blush that is perfect for lip gloss. It can be the Glow Recipe one, but there's another one that is not a well-known brand, but it's just like it's pretty on lips. I feel like it is lip gloss, but it's blush. It says liquid blush, so yeah. Tell me why this is not blending out. This is terrible. I can't do this. The nose is not blending out, you guys. I'm so mad. I might use this and like color correct it maybe. I don't think it's gonna work though. Yeah, that did absolutely nothing except make it more red. This makeup routine is literally so streaky. It's just not good. I'm gonna use some, I know this isn't blush, you guys, but I'm gonna use some of this Glow setting spray just to like wet the base because maybe it's all drying down, okay? I know it's not blush, you guys, but I want this to turn out like somewhat good, because if it doesn't, then like just not gonna be good. So I'm gonna like just go over this whole thing and just blend it out, like just the whole thing, so it's not streaky. That do anything, you guys. Like, it made me look so glowy, but okay, next is blush. Again, for blush, we're just gonna do Glow Recipe because it's just the best color, I guess. And then this is in the shade Watermelon Flush. So we're just gonna do that. Sorry, somebody's here. I was just looking who it was. Okay, I feel like that's just the most subtle. I don't know. And I feel like this will tone down everything. What if we did like a bright blush to tone down everything? Let's do that, actually. Rare Beauty? No, let's not do Rare Beauty, because this is too bright. I got the brightest shade. Let's not do that, though. Oh, I'm so dramatic. I don't even know what's wrong with me. Okay, we're gonna do Lilac Blush because I feel like that would like tone down everything. Like, hello. This is also by the brand Sunkissed. And it's in the shade Lilac Clouds. By the way, yes, I did not have to look at it. I know the shades of my blushes sometimes. Okay, that did absolutely nothing. At this point, it's just like blending into the skin. I don't know. I literally just don't know at this point. And then we done all the liquids. Just kidding, there's gonna be more liquids. But I just want to set this in place with this powder, kind of. It's not gonna be, oh wait. No, I want to set it in place with this powder. Use this one, and then this time, I'm not gonna use a wet beauty blender because that's just not gonna work. So I am gonna use a powder puff. So I'm gonna just use this like black powder puff that I have. And then just do a little bit of blush. Wait, it actually worked. Like, you can use powders to set your base in place, but like, yeah. So I'm just putting it anywhere that I feel like I need it, and I feel like it just brightens up everything. So that was good. I'm gonna wipe that off. But yeah. Later, I'm gonna use this Essence blush because it's like shimmery. You can't really see it right now, but yeah. And then I'm gonna use, I actually do use this as highlighter sometimes when I just want like a pinky highlighter. I'm gonna use this highlighter brush. It's like really fluffy. I'm just gonna use it right there, right here on the nose, right here, and maybe like some right here, right above my brows, and like that. Perfect. Brushed out my brows with the spoolie, but it's fine. I did not cheat. Step would it be eyeshadow, so I'm gonna just use the Saie blush as eyeshadow, I feel like, or maybe I could use like the Essence one again, or I do have this Rare Beauty one, maybe that. I think I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It's very pink, you know, not really what I wanted after all this pink, but it's fine. A lot of people doing like shorts doing this, but for some reason I don't like to do my makeup in silence. I like to like talk to you guys and do it. It's just, it feels a lot better than just doing my makeup in silence. So yeah, I like to do long form videos better than shorts unless I'm doing like a dance or something. But yeah, here's the eyeshadow. I'm not good at eyeshadow, just saying, okay? I'm not the best at it. Next would usually be brows or mascara, but I am not putting that on my face. So I'm gonna just do mascara off camera really quick. Be right back. I did mascara off camera. It kind of makes the base look way better, but yeah. So let's do the lip combo. For lip liner, I think, actually wait, I'm gonna do lipstick first, and for lipstick, I'm gonna just use this like Milk Jelly Blush, but it's also for your lips too, so this is like actually meant for your lips as well. So, and it's in the shade Burst. So like, don't say I'm cheating because this is meant for your lips too, and it's also a blush, so. It's for both, so I can use it. Okay, pretty. Okay, now for lip liner, I want to use the Rare Beauty one because I want to just put it on like the edge of my lips, just like that. It's not really working, but it's whatever. Okay, now for lip gloss. This is the last step, so be prepared, be prepared. Move everything out of the way. This, I feel like, is meant to be a lip gloss, and you'll just see how pretty it looks. It's this brand. It's BCBG, that brand. And it is just so pretty as gloss. And look at this applicator. Tell me, but it literally says liquid blush. Like, did they get the packaging wrong or something? Because it's literally like a blush. And then this is Flush, so I could use this as like a lipstick, but I don't. So I'm gonna use this. Do you guys see that? It's so pretty. And it even, like, it tastes good. I don't know. Okay, but anyways, here is the final look. I'm gonna carefully pick up my phone because it does not have a case on right now. But here's the final look. Let me know if you notice a difference in the quality. But yes, let me know if you want to do more videos like this, like concealer or a full face highlighter or a full face of like lip gloss, lip liner. Comment down below. And I hope you guys enjoy my video. Bye. Mwah.